Elevate your tech game with the top ASUS laptops of 2024, designed to offer unmatched performance and reliability. Shop now for the latest models and experience cutting-edge technology that exceeds expectations. Here's a look at the best ASUS laptops this year. 5. ASUS ROG Zephyrus G15. Discover the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G15, an ultra-slim gaming laptop that combines powerful performance with sleek design. Featuring a 15.6-inch display with a 165 Hz refresh rate, it delivers stunning visuals powered by the GeForce RTX 3080 graphics and AMD Ryzen 9 5900HS processor. With 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, this laptop ensures speedy performance and ample space for your games. Its Eclipse gray color and lightweight build make it a stylish, portable choice, while its advanced cooling system keeps everything running smoothly. Ideal for gamers who demand excellence and style. 4. ASUS Chromebook Flip C436. The ASUS Chromebook Flip C436 offers a blend of elegance and functionality in a 2-in-1 laptop. Its 14-inch touchscreen boasts a 1920 x 1080 resolution with a frameless nano-edge design, allowing for a compact and stylish form. Powered by an Intel Core i5-10210U processor, it delivers fast performance with 512 GB of storage and 16 GB of RAM. The 360D hinge allows for versatile use in laptop, tent, stand, or tablet mode. Crafted from magnesium alloy, it is both durable and visually appealing. Ideal for those who need a powerful yet portable device for work or play. 3. ASUS ZenBook S13 OLED. Step into the future with the ASUS ZenBook S13 OLED. This ultra-lightweight laptop features a 13.3-inch OLED display with a 2.8K resolution for breathtaking visuals. Powered by the Intel Core i7-135U processor and equipped with 32 GB of RAM and 1 TB of SSD storage, it offers exceptional performance and connectivity. The ZenBook S13 is Intel Evo certified, providing long battery life and fast charging. Its rugged build meets military durability standards, and the Dolby Atmos audio system delivers immersive sound. Perfect for those who seek a blend of performance and luxury in a compact form. 2. ASUS ROG Strix Scar 17. Experience high-end gaming with the ASUS ROG Strix Scar 17. This laptop features a massive 17.3-inch display with a 240 Hz refresh rate and a 3 ms response time, ensuring smooth and crisp visuals. It is powered by the AMD Ryzen 9 7945HX processor and GeForce RTX 4090 graphics, delivering top-tier gaming performance. With 32 GB of RAM and a 1 TB SSD, you'll have the speed and storage needed for intensive gaming. The robust cooling system and customizable RGB lighting enhance both performance and style. Ideal for serious gamers who demand the best in both power and aesthetics. 1. ASUS VivoBook S15 OLED. The ASUS VivoBook S15 OLED combines performance and style in a slim, lightweight package. Its 15.6-inch OLED display offers vibrant colors with a 1920 x 1080 resolution and 600 nits of peak brightness. Powered by the Intel Core i5-12500H processor, it includes 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, providing fast and efficient performance. The sleek aluminum chassis is both durable and stylish, featuring a backlit keyboard with a fingerprint sensor for secure access. With a long-lasting battery and fast charging capabilities, it's perfect for professionals on the go. Enjoy a complimentary month of Adobe Creative Cloud with your purchase, making it an excellent choice for those who value both performance and productivity. Discover the best ASUS laptops of 2024 and find the perfect match for your needs.